Elon Musk finally broke the silence and confirmed the biggest leap in humanoid robotics yet. Optimus Gen 3 isn't an upgrade. It's a total rebuild, engineered for real homes, real tasks, and real-world autonomy. Inside Tesla's production floor, early Gen 3 units are already performing chores, learning new skills, and operating with zero human guidance. Tesla didn't tweak a few parts. They rebuilt the entire robot from the ground up. New hands, a new AI brain, new sensors, a whole new movement system, and even Neuralink compatibility. Hey guys, welcome to NextGen AI. Today we're breaking down Tesla's shocking Gen 3 upgrades. Alright, let's start. The first big upgrade is improved dexterity, and honestly, this one shocked the robotics world. During the 2025 shareholder meeting, Elon Musk revealed that Optimus Gen 3's hands now have 22 degrees of freedom in the fingers alone, plus another 3 in the wrist and forearm. That's 25 df per hand, almost matching a human hand's 27 df. And with advanced pressure and touch sensors in every single finger, Optimus now handle objects with ridiculous precision. I'm talking eggs, popcorn kernels, soft fabrics, and fragile plastics, all without breaking or crushing anything. It can also switch instantly to heavier tasks like lifting pans, folding towels, or tucking in a blanket. But here's the wild part. Musk said the forearms and hands are the bulk of the engineering challenge in humanoid robotics. This is the hardest part for every company, whether it's Figure, Unitree, Agility, or Sanctuary. And Tesla didn't upgrade a few parts. They rebuilt the entire thing. Musk literally said almost nothing stays the same from Gen 2. It's not a small refresh, it's a complete redesign. If you remember Gen 2, it was already surprisingly capable. Slimmer body, smoother walking, yoga poses, shirt folding, and even the famous raw egg test, which went viral because Optimus gently rotated a real egg without breaking it. But Gen 3 takes that and turns it into something else entirely. It signals a shift in strategy. Optimus is no longer just that factory robot for repetitive tasks. Elon Musk is clearly pushing towards something more human-like. A helper, a companion, a butler, a home assistant that can actually interact with the real world the same way you do. Now let's move to the second big upgrade. Faster walking speed and enhanced accuracy. Everything in Gen 3 is built for speed, and not just running fast, but thinking fast. Elon Musk confirmed in the Q2 shareholder update that Tesla is targeting 12 hours of runtime and a $20,000 price once mass scaling begins. But the important part is what came next. Gen 3 is delayed slightly to late 2025 because Tesla wants to improve the battery, gate speed, and real-world task accuracy before releasing it publicly. And honestly, that's a good thing, because every clip we've seen, inserting battery cells, walking on uneven ground, navigating cluttered offices, shows Gen 3's movement becoming 3 times smoother and nearly twice as accurate compared to Gen 2. The legs have better balance, the joints react faster, and the whole system looks confident. That's the best word. Confident. Do you think Optimus Gen 3 will actually become a common home assistant by 2027? Or is this still too early? But here's the crazy part. Tesla is doing all this without LiDAR, without depth sensors, without radar, without external beacons. This leads directly into upgrade number 3. Enhanced AI reasoning and self-learning. This is what makes Optimus a different species of robot entirely. Tesla confirmed multiple times that Optimus uses the same full self-driving (FSD) architecture as their cars. End-to-end neural networks, billions of video frames, real-world edge cases, and yes, pure vision, camera-only autonomy. Musk even repeated it on November 21st, 2025. It's doing that with cameras plus AI only. This means Optimus learns like a person. It watches humans perform tasks. It sees multiple angles. It builds patterns. and it generalizes. For example, if it sees someone fold a towel on a table, it can fold a bigger towel on the floor. If it learns how to stir soup with a spoon, it can stir coffee with a metal stirrer. This level of generalization is the holy grail of robotics. But here's the part nobody is talking about. Tesla's Cortex-2 supercomputer is now dedicated entirely to Optimus training. Musk confirmed that full self-driving is no longer the bottleneck, meaning Tesla can push daily improvements to the robot at a scale no other company on Earth can match. And the new AI 5-chip dropping power consumption to 250W means Optimus runs longer, cooler, and cheaper than anyone expected. And make sure to subscribe, because next week we're dropping the complete timeline of Optimus, every version from day 1 to Gen 3. You'll definitely want to see it. Upgrade number 4 is the one most people underestimate: a slimmer, more human-like design, a full sensory system. Tesla's goal has always been to build a robot that looks natural in a home. Not too bulky, not too mechanical, not too uncanny. And the Gen 3 updates prove they're moving fast toward that goal. Musk teased a version with agility, matching an athletic human. He also said Gen 3 will handle 5,000 tasks. Everything from cleaning a kitchen to guiding people in office buildings, preparing simple meals, loading dishwashers, sorting inventory, greeting customers, mowing lawns, and even driving cars. Tesla also showed the Fremont pilot line, robots building robots. This was huge. It meant Tesla isn't just designing robots, they're manufacturing them at automotive scale. People don't realize this, but the moment Tesla starts stamping robot parts the same way they stamp Model Y parts, everything changes. Costs collapse, efficiency skyrockets, and suddenly a $20,000 humanoid robot isn't science fiction. It becomes the cheapest full-time worker in the world. And that brings us to upgrade number 5, the most futuristic, the most insane, and the most controversial: full self-calibration and Neuralink integration. Gen 3 can already self-charge, self-correct its pose, and adapt its movements on the fly. But Neuralink takes this to another universe. In 2025, a Neuralink patient controlled an Optimus hand just by thinking, and ate dinner with that robotic hand for the first time after years of paralysis. This was a shocking, emotional moment, and Elon Musk said it is only the beginning. Think about what this means. You could control an Optimus from your couch by imagination alone. You could feel pressure, temperature, vibration through the robot's fingertips. People who lost mobility could walk again through a robot body. And Musk even hinted at something far bigger: consciousness uploading, digital telepresence, and using Optimus as a full-body avatar for remote work. So when Musk says Optimus will eliminate poverty and deliver universal high income, he isn't exaggerating. If a robot works 24/7, never sleeps, never gets tired, and costs less than a car, the math gets crazy fast. With millions of Gen 3 units starting production in 2026, Tesla isn't just releasing a new product. They're building an entirely new labor force, one that scales infinitely. Gen 3 is not just an upgrade, it's a turning point. From improved hands, to faster walking, to pure vision autonomy, to a human-like design, to Neuralink mind control. Every single upgrade pushes Optimus closer to human-level ability. And we're watching this happen in real time. Optimus Gen 3 marks Tesla's shift from factory demos to real-world independence. With new hands, smarter AI, a new body, and Neuralink integration, Tesla isn't just building a product, it's building an ecosystem. This is only the beginning. If you want more deep research breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching NextGen AI. See you in the next one.